There's something about the way that you understand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. So as titled, this is my everyday makeup chatty get ready with me video. So this is the Out Cup. It's like a super simple bronzy blush look. It's what I do every day, so like it's really hard for me to describe it because this is like my everyday. Yeah, I really like it. I also talked a little bit about how I've been doing my hair. A lot of you guys have been enjoying or complimenting me on my straight hair. I've been wearing my hair straight just because like I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, I haven't curled my hair in like a few weeks actually. It's been really nice. I also like my hair straight too. So yeah, I think that's about it. So I will warn you that you guys are going to see me barefaced and I look really tired for no reason. So with that, let's get started. Hi guys, so this is my bare face. I do have some eyelash extensions on. They're really thin, so you can't really see them, but I'm just gonna get started. I got a lot of questions about how I do my everyday makeup or the makeup that I have been showing in my recent videos. So I'm gonna sit down and show you guys all the products that I use and I guess how I apply them. Yeah. My under eyes are like this when I don't wear makeup. I've also been sleeping late because like I don't have a real schedule or anything. Let's just jump into it. I did film this once before, but I didn't like how it came out, so here I am again. This really cute sweatshirt is from Boohoo. I got it in a size large. I really like the color of it. So yeah, I've been wearing like all my sweats I got recently. I'll link this down below if it's still available. And and so I'm gonna jump in. This is my moisturizer, actually from the Target generic brand Up and Up. This is supposed to be a generic version for Aveeno, and I've had a lot of issues with the Aveeno pump, so I was just like, you know what, I have nothing to lose to try the generic version. So I actually picked it up when I was like in LA and I'm still using it, and the pump didn't break on me, so I'm really happy. So I just like smear it everywhere. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the same primer I always use, but just from Baby Skin. So let's put it on. I hope you guys have been well. I've talked to a few of you guys via DM and yeah, it's been tough. I feel like I don't have a real schedule, and on weekends I really actually do nothing, and I'm like less productive now even though I really have nothing else to do. But I did hear like in a podcast that like that's the case when you have like more time, you actually don't really do anything more. It's more like if you have less time, there's more of like a fire under your ass to push you to do it. So I've been feeling that. Hopefully if you guys are seeing this video, maybe I am more productive because you're seeing it. I'm using this, I'm just using this for the bottle. This is the Luminous Silk Foundation bottle, but this is the Fit Me in Sandy Beige 210 Maybelline, just because this has a pump. It's way cuter. But yeah, this Giorgio Armani foundation is my favorite luxury foundation. I use it like on vacation when I just like want to look like a beautiful glistening egg. That's the why am I not using the mirror? That's the foundation that I use. Yeah, this one's also really close, and this one's like 1/10 of the price or close to that. Yeah. So I do have a pimple, so I'm gonna have to spot conceal today, but when I don't, I don't. Sorry if I'm being a little quiet. Cody is still sleeping. So yeah, we've been sleeping really late. Have you guys? I've been sleeping like we'll stop watching shows and stuff and close the lights at like 2:30 a.m. and then we'll settle down. I usually fall asleep like at 3. It takes me a while to fall asleep. That's just the type of person I am. Cody's like out like light. Yeah. And if you guys follow my Instagram stories, like Cody sleeps in the middle of the day too, so what a life, what a luxury. But I also feel like when I sleep in, I don't like perform that well. Like I feel groggy. Oh, this is everyone's favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape. I really like it. I haven't bothered to find like a cheaper version. I have like so many backups of this too. Yeah, even though I don't think the packaging is like the best, like it always comes out of here, and like more times than not I just take my beauty blender and then just wipe the side, and that's how I use it. But like since we're doing a tutorial, I'll use the doe foot applicator. But yeah, sleep's been hard. Yeah, I have been working out just like the slightest, just to like get a sweat in, so that's been really good. I've been trying to cut back on snacking at night. That is my enemy. Like, I love snacking at night. In the first Get Ready With Me, I did share with you guys like our canceled travel plans, so I'll say it again. Cody and I actually planned to go to, sorry if you hear the birdies. Cody and I actually planned to go to Japan many months ago, maybe like a whole year ago. We were gonna go for like 2.5 weeks. We were gonna go to Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto. Yeah, we had everything planned out. We had our flights. We were actually lucky enough to use our points to get a round trip first class flight, and Cody was so excited to go, and he's really upset, or you know, sad or whatever, that we can't go. Obviously we're not gonna go, so I think because he's in charge of all of this stuff, like I really don't care. Like, yeah, he just tells me how much it is, and I'm just like, yeah, it's really sad we're not going. Let me tell you the dates, because you know, that would have been fun. So we were gonna go from April 22nd, and we were gonna get back May 7th. Sad. It was gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, it's gonna suck. I think Cody's gonna try to postpone it. So yeah. Oh, I'm doing my brows. These are the products that I use. This is the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. So I dipped into the darker color, and I'm just building my shape. I don't have a lot of definition in the front, so I like to really define it at the bottom, and then I like to make, or recently I've been trying to make a stronger arch because I feel like it's cuter. Yeah, so it's gonna suck, but I just thought I'd share with you guys. I'm sure you guys are going through the same thing, and yeah. Oh, since I'm not gonna use those paid time off PTO, I have a lot. I was thinking I could just use them throughout the summer, like have a 3-day weekend like multiple times. I think I would really enjoy that, especially because last year I had a really stressful, or like a really time-consuming job last year around when it was getting warmer as well, so I didn't really have a summer. And personally, to me, and I'm sure to a lot of you guys, that like summer is important to you, and I make a lot of memories in the summer. I take a lot of pictures with my friends in the summer because it's easier. We just like feel poppin', you know. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'll let you guys know if anything changes. But yeah, hopefully you guys are okay with this chatty Get Ready With Me. I'm running out of ideas. Yeah, I'm also trying to reduce online shipments, so I'm trying to not buy so many things that I don't need. I think the last thing I bought was the granola from Amazon Prime, and then these lashes, but that was about it. I love online shopping, so it kind of sucks, but you know, this is such a challenging time, so if there's anything I can do to reduce exposure, I should do that. So How's our sisters? Not twins. I think I want to make this one a little archier. Yeah. Brows are done. I want to set my concealer because I have so much concealer on, more than normal. So, yeah. Let me do that. I want to talk about things that I look forward to doing after this. I think the first, I don't know, I don't want to rank them, but I want to eat out. I miss sushi so much. Oh, sorry if the background is kind of dark. I only have the window open and we don't really have a lot of sun. So yeah. Actually, I think I can just crack the light. Ooh. Did that mess with the lighting? I don't think so. Sorry. I was doing it in the dark. Yeah, I want to talk about things I am looking forward to. Obviously, food. We eat out so much, so I guess it's good that we're saving money, but like, I miss sushi and a hot pot, a Korean barbecue, all of those things. So we're almost done. I'm gonna do blush. I just used like this little sampler blush from Tarte. It's called Party. It's the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Looks like this. I'm just trying to finish it, and plus all of the blushes that I do buy end up being this rosy color or a peachy color. So I like a lot of blush. I don't know. Do you guys think this is a lot? Probably not. I put it on my nose. Yeah, I also miss my lash girl. I want to get my hair done. Everyone has been cutting their hair short and it's like tempting me, but I don't know. I'm really attached. Yeah. Plus I don't know what I would look like with shorter hair. Should we try? Let's take this seriously. I don't know. We'll see. What else? I just miss being outside. Yeah. I'm sure everyone does. Then I do bronzer. I love bronzer. This is Bobbi Brown, the bronzing powder in Natural 1. This is like my all-time favorite one, but Benefits Hulu is also really good. So I use a lot of this, I feel like, for a lot of parts of my face. I miss doing my makeup every day, actually. I feel like when I have makeup on, I am way more productive. I feel like because when I look at myself in the mirror, I look awake. Yeah. Okay. And I just have to do the forehead. Yeah. I miss seeing my friends. Can't wait to see my friends again. Have plans. Can't wait to have plans. So yeah, I have a super basic makeup face. So don't judge me on that. Then I used the Glossier Matte Generation G lipstick in Cake. Use the mirror, Carmen. Use the mirror. I actually really didn't like lipsticks, but this is like perfect because it's sheer, so when it wears off it doesn't look patchy, and the colors are great too, so I really like it. Yeah. Usually I have more dramatic lash extensions, but these are really subtle, so I feel like the look is a little bit different. But let me clean up and fix up my hair, and then I'll come back. Oh, since we're on the topic of hair, some of you guys have been asking me how I do my hair. I literally just blow dry it. Oh, let me get the brush. I've been using this brush and it's been really helping me to blow dry my hair more efficiently because it has a bunch of bristles, so it helps me grip the hair, and that's usually how I blow dry my hair. I feel like it's like a subtle blowout, so I'll just like go through it and then blow dry it. So that's how I get it so straight without any kinks. That's like the short version of how I have my hair straight. And then usually when I film videos, I just pull out my fringe. Oh, I can't wait to get my hair done and ask for more fringe hair because like, it's really hard for me to pull it out. It comes out of like a bunch of different sections. And that's just what it looks like. Sometimes I'll pin it because I actually like the pin look. Oh, another thing I want to do. So this is the finished look. I usually have more dramatic lash extensions, but this is relatively the look and I'm happy with how it came out this time. So hopefully you guys are seeing this. It's super cute. I feel like I do go really heavy with the blush and the bronzer, but it is a really good color with the lipstick as well. I'll try to link everything down below and all of the colors and shades and stuff, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really nice chatting with you guys. I don't get to do that enough. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!